Hello everyone, I am Yashita Sehgal. I am a student of class 9 and I have been studying in Saraswati Vidyamandir from the past 8 months. The best thing about this tuition is the way sir teaches us. Like, he cracks jokes in between, and those little things, they help us a lot to learn and understand things in a great way. And one word that I would use to describe this institution is catalyst, because the creative ways that he uses, to teach us, sometimes taking those extra classes and all of that. So that helps us a lot. And the best thing about this tuition, personally from my point of view, is everyday test. Like, not every day, but every second or the third day. It's not like you're coming here, you're giving a test, but it helps you to, you're going home, you're revising it every day, and it helps you with revising things regularly, like you're not missing on something. And there are so many tuitions in Ambala for maths and science, especially class 9th and 10th. But over here, we get recorded lectures. Like, those recorded lectures, they help us a lot, because, if sometimes we miss the tuition, so we can go through those lectures and, revise the things, and we don't miss on anything. And yes, I'm going to surely suggest this tuition to my friends. Thank you.